What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm coming at you with a tutorial on how to send money to someone on PayPal through goods and services. Now this is a great way if you're sending it to somebody that you don't necessarily know and you really don't want them to scam you, because if you send it through goods and services you could always refund it and dispute it with PayPal. So in order to do this, you're going to hit the $ on the bottom toolbar. It's going to be all the way in the middle. I'm on mobile, but this works for desktop as well. And then obviously you're just going to hit the send button and it's going to take you to a similar screen like this. And then hit the search button. And from here you could search for who you're trying to send it to. You're probably going to have their email, so you're just going to type that in there. Or if by chance you have their phone number, you could enter that in as well. So I have this secondary email account that I'm looking up right now just to test it to. And I'm just going to send them $1 just to see how it works. You could also leave a message in there. If it's a business transaction, like it should be for goods and services, you're probably going to want to leave a message just for you and the person on the other end, whether you're buying or selling. It's nice for both parties to have a record. So once you're done with this, you're going to click send, and then you're going to be left with two options here for either friends and family or goods and services. And obviously, because this is a good and service, you're going to type goods and services. And then it's going to ask you for your passcode or Face ID just to make sure it's you and it's not somebody else on your account. Just a good security measure by PayPal. But once you give that to them, if this is your first time sending somebody money like that, you're going to have to enter your first and last name and then their country. This is just a good preventive measure by PayPal to make sure that you know who you're sending to and you're not sending to somebody that you don't want to send it to. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you had any questions or were confused by anything, be sure to drop them down below in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and also read the description, because there's some very important information that you won't want to miss.